Welcome to Little Spice to My Life. This is Pragati. I hope you all are doing fine. I'm traveling from UK, London to Delhi, India today, and I'm vlogging this whole thing so that it might help you guys as well while traveling with the all coronavirus laws and like forms you have to fill at the airport. So it's 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm all set. My cab is on the way. So yeah, let's see how it goes. But I wanted to tell you that this is the first video I'm doing completely on my own with my gimbal and everything. So I don't know how it's gonna go. Wish me luck, guys. See you at the airport.
And the journey begins. We are at the Terminal 2 Heathrow. So my flight is like AI 162, which is at Zone D. So let's rush towards Zone D.
Do you want to dance?
They have given us a small form which we have to fill, and we have to give it at the desk while boarding. So yeah, that was opposite. This is the form. That's also not correct. I've gone mad. Yeah, that's the form. It's a very small form which you can fill in then and there, and you can show them. I will tell you about other documents as and when it comes. So guys, I'm like number 2 in the queue, and this is how boarding is done. So there's not a very big change of the boarding process as I can see, but the paperwork has increased. So I really know it sounds stupid, but for me washrooms are like very important thing, and washrooms are quite clean. I'm happy to tell that, and barely have to touch anywhere because it's all censored. And the like very feasible thing I wanted to tell you is that is the boarding line, and then next to it that is where the washrooms are, and like just few steps ahead there will be a security check. So everything is very near. So guys, we are actually going to enter the security check, and there we go. That is the security check entry. Let's head towards it. I have done the security check, and so there was no problems in the security check for the first time in my life, because I always get caught in the security check. So this time I was not, and all the liquids were out and everything was in place. So it's 6:21 in the morning, and my gates will be shown at like 7:35. So I have some time to kill, and I'll just look around. I will find something to eat or something to shop. Let's see how I'll come this time. Guys, this is how it looks around. Usually when I came like last time, this was open, like the shops were open. Maybe it's due to morning because it's very early morning, 6:30 or something, or I don't know, because of COVID also that might be closed. But the food is available on the airport, so as I could show you. Woohoo! So it's departure time. I can't believe they have shown the gates a little early. It shows a little bit of walk for the gates, but yeah, it's pretty well in time. Like I came 3.5 hours before the departure, and it was all good. And I'm going towards, this is the most interesting thing you guys might have guessed till now. Yeah, the World Duty Free. Okay, we will keep the social distancing in place.
Excuse me, madam. Only pay by card, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. No problem.
So he just stopped me and asked for only pay by card thing. Guys, I'm actually going towards the gates, and I'm I'm waiting for the lift. I'm done with my shopping and my breakfast as well. So yeah, I shopped a perfume. I'll show you later. So I'll show you the route towards the departure gates. Package which has all the essentials in it, which is like the shield, sanitizer and the mask. Also they set the temperature. Seating arrangements is something which is newly I've seen. It has like a board kept next to each seat so that there's a one seat difference in people sitting around for like keeping the social distancing in place. So now soon the boarding will be started and I'll see you at Delhi Airport. This whole process of Delhi is divided into 3 parts. I will like specify it completely. First is the flight one. In the flight they gave us like 2 forms, which is the self-declaration form and the RT-PCR test form, which you have to book. So the self-declaration form and RT-PCR form, if you have booked online with the Air Suvidha site, then you don't have to fill it in the flight. But if you haven't, then you have an option to fill it manually. So that was the flight option first. Second, once you came out of the flight, they will give you a form which has like same form is divided into 2 parts, which you have to fill both, so that one could be given to the airport authority and one you can keep it. So the one which you give to the airport authority, that will also like they will also take the passport with it, and they will give the copy of the passport. Oopsie, I got call on the other phone. Okay, so let's continue the second step, where they will keep the passport and the copy of the one half of that form, and the other half of the form and the photocopy of the passport is given to the person who is traveling. Now the third step. The third step is where if you have already filled and like paid for the RT-PCR, you can get into a separate line where you just have to get the like proper one form which has a number and everything, and they will give you a seat number so that you can sit at one place, and that seat will provide you food and you can wait there for results. If you haven't filled that online, you have filled it in the flight or then and there manually, then you can pay it by card. 3,400 is the fees for the test, and test just takes 2 minutes hardly. And they have given us this form which we have to fill and submit it over here. I'm gonna fill this and guys, that's how the seating arrangement is. There's like water bottles kept and food is also provided on the seats. This is the number which they write on your like receipt of RT-PCR test, and you have to sit on that number, and there's a do not disturb kind of a sign in between, and the right one is the right number, left one is the left number. There's water bottles kept and everything is in place. I think they have tried to make it very much of hassle-free, but yeah, we need to support them. So you might find my sound a little low, but there's a new thing added to all of this process, that people get positive as the result. So whosoever is the passenger getting the positive result, 3 rows before them and 3 rows after them should be isolated, and it depends on which quarantine you have mentioned in the form which they have given you earlier. If it's paid or government, it depends on that, whatever quarantine you will do. But like 3, and 1 with the row which the person is staying, so now 7 rows would be quarantined, hotel quarantined on our own paid thing, if you have choose that for 14 days or something. I'm not sure about the days factor till now, but there's a lot of chaos because of this news, as people are not knowing about it completely. completely, and I was also not completely aware that what are they gonna do with this adjacent people sitting to them. So yeah, that's something which is new in the story, a twist. And let's see when the results come. It's already going to be 4 o'clock in the morning, and we haven't received any results. There's a site which, like, there's a barcode in the receipt which they give us for the RT-PCR test receipt. So you can scan that barcode, go to that site. The site is livehealth.in, where you can see your results. Also, they email you with the site information. You have to set up you have to give your OTP, and then one-time password is being set up so that your account is like set up for the first time, and then you can see the medical reports. Waiting and waiting. I'm finally out, but there's so much which I wanted to tell you in between, and I wasn't, because I was rushing to get out and to catch my connecting journey, flight and train or whatever. I can't like express how painful this was. I had a connecting flight, but that got messed up, and now I have to look after like how I have to go home. So yeah, it was going well till the kiosk was created about that three rows to be quarantined, and then there was a happy news that all the passengers in the flight were tested negative, and so we all were free to go and quarantine at home. So yeah, there was no one to be institutional quarantine or hotel paid quarantine. Somehow, yes, we made it, and 0 COVID cases brought to India by this flight. Achievement! So yeah, I'll go for now, and once I reach home, I will update you then.